Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming which phone you have, iPhone versus Android, because menus differ. Once ready, make a quick backup of settings or your account so you can restore if needed. Now open Settings and go straight to Screen Time on iPhone or Digital Wellbeing on Android. Tap into that menu and pause for a moment to note whether a passcode or Google/Apple account controls it. That determines the next steps you must take. You now proceed to disable the controls. If prompted, enter the Screen Time passcode or your Google/Apple account credentials. This unlocks options. Once unlocked, choose Turn Off Screen Time on iPhone or pause Digital Wellbeing features on Android. Make sure to remove any app limits, downtime schedules, and content restrictions by toggling them off, otherwise they will reapply. After disabling each item, verify that the tracking and limits indicators disappear to confirm the changes took effect. Finish by restarting your phone and confirming Screen Time or Digital Wellbeing no longer enforces limits. If you stay in a family or parental sharing group, make sure to leave or ask the organizer to remove restrictions. Otherwise, limits may reappear. If you forgot the Screen Time passcode, use Apple ID or Google Account Recovery to reset it or perform an account-based reset. If issues persist, check for device management profiles or third-party parental apps that can override settings and remove them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.